What's up, guys? It's Aaron from How To's by Bros. In this video, I'm going to be going over my 5 life lessons in different areas that you can use that will help you in your life. And these are just some things that I've learned over the years that I would pass on to somebody younger than me, or anybody that wants to learn. So the first one, the most important in my opinion, is spiritual. I would say that be aware of God's presence if you are a believer. That's one of the most important things that I've learned, is constantly just being aware of Him and being thankful and grateful for everything He's done in your life. That's a very important step to spiritually, and just acknowledging Him, acknowledging His presence, acknowledging Him that He's there. And so that's one key. I know there's a lot more spiritually that I would like to go into, but love God, love people, and being aware of His presence. The next thing I would say is physical. So being physically, your physical body is very important. You want to keep it healthy. You want to keep it in shape. So what I would say 2 things. I would say move around and watch what you eat, and also drink lots and lots of water. That's what I would say for that segment. I know I gave more than one piece there, but water is so important. And then also moving around, just staying active. No matter how much you don't want to do it, it helps so much. Moving, water, and then not eating like processed foods. The third life lesson I would say is career or business. I would say focus on one thing and stay consistent at it. I would say just being able to execute on your dream is one of the most important things in your career. And that's what I would tell my younger self, is I would just say, whatever you do, just stay consistent with it, and focus on it, and you'll be successful at it. I would say for emotional, I would say just being grateful, being thankful for what you have, and staying in a good mood is important. And also moving. Back to the moving, I think moving and gratitude would be my last 2 pieces of advice. And then I'll tell you one more actually. But I would say, like I said, moving and then gratitude in general. I can't stress how important gratitude has been in my life. Just being thankful for just thanking God for everything I have. And then the final piece, the last piece, is social. I would say that nobody really cares about what you do as far as social situations. You don't need to overthink every single social situation. That's what I would tell my younger self, because I think a lot of people are overwhelmed by just being socially perfect, or just like constantly thinking, oh, like, what is this person thinking about me, when really nobody really cares about what you're doing. They're just worried about what they're doing. So most people are selfish, and they don't really care about what you're doing in social situations. That's what I would say. So those are some pieces of advice, 5 life lessons that I've learned. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Subscribe, hit that notifications bell for more videos, and I'll talk to you guys later. Click the link in the description for my story, and God bless, guys.